The Merlot is also one of the wines that was created right from the start with this range. And for me, it's probably one of the most difficult wines to make. I think mainly because Merlot is a difficult cultivar in South Africa because of our climate. It's very hot in South Africa, and Merlot is one of the finicky red wines. We call it the Sauvignon Blanc of the red wines because Sauvignon Blanc is a quite tricky one, and Merlot is the same thing. When you plant a new vineyard, you always have to choose whether you're going to plant Sauvignon Blanc or Merlot if it's a cool spot. It doesn't like to become too hot. It doesn't like to be dried out in summertime. So you have to be very careful with how you work the fruit. We found the perfect balance with this wine when we work with the vineyard quite at an early stage, when the berries are very small, they're about pea size, so it's in the early summer. We break away the leaves around the bunches. So the sun gets into the canopy, onto the grapes, and basically thickens the skin, so it protects the grape against the harsh temperatures later in the season when the grapes are ready to be picked, just before harvest. The wine is a deep, dark red wine with quite a lot of plummy flavors. So we get rid of all that vegetative flavors. We try to really get rid of the more greener flavors that is so common to the South African Merlots. And I think we found the perfect balance with our way of working with it.